Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn the poem The Donkey. Now, what is donkey? First of all, we will learn the difference between the donkey and the horse. The donkey is having the straight line where we sit. The horse is having a curved back where we sit and ride. The donkey is having minimum mane. Now minimum or mane is what? The hairs on the head. Can you see the hair? It is having lesser than the horse. Now next difference is the horse is having the larger hoof. Hoof is the feet. Can you see the hoof? Hoof. It is having the larger hoof than the donkey. Donkey is having short and curved hoofs. Next difference, the horse is having the long tail and the donkey is having short tail. The main difference we can find over here is the donkey is taller than the horse is taller than the donkey. The donkey is used to carry the things from one place to another. Now, here in the poem, Margaret Russell, what she wants to say? Let us see. If I had a donkey and he wouldn't go, would I wallow him? No. I had find a little hay and give him some corn. Then he had been the best donkey that ever was born. Now here, what the Margaret Russell wants to convey that if I had a donkey as my pet animal and if the donkey is not obeying me, if I order him something and if the donkey is not obeying me, what I will do? I will get irritated and annoyed like everyone. Whether I will hit the donkey with the stick? No, I will not do that at all. Otherwise, the donkey will again get annoyed and it will not listen to me. Donkey is an animal. It also needs care and affection. Then what I will do? I will feed the donkey with the hay. What is hay? Now, hay means the dried grass. I will feed the donkey with the hay. It might be hungry. Then I will feed the donkey the corn. What is corn? Corn is a cereal. Can you see the cereal? The donkey, I will feed the donkey with the corn. It is its favorite. Then it might obey me because its stomach is filled. And he will be the best donkey. It will be the best donkey it has ever been. Because I will show the love, affection and care to the donkey. I will feed the donkey with the dried hay, with the corn, so that its stomach is filled. When its stomach is filled, it will surely obey me and it will follow the orders. So dear children, never hit the pet animals. This is the main message given by the Margaret Russell through this poem. The pet animals, the animals will always show the love and affection. If you show your love and affection from your side, it will always obey you. So never hit the pet animals. This is the main thing. Show love and affection as you show to the kids, to your kids. Your parents never hit you when you do something wrong or if you are not listening. They will show the love and affection. Then you listen to them better, in a better way. So thank you, dear students. Always give what you want. So give love you will, and again you will get back love.